Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, this is your girl Miss Imani E, and if you're returning, what's up fam? I'm glad you're back. I got something special for you guys because if you watched my last video, you know that your girl is officially a BoxyCharmer. Exactly. Okay, so first of all guys, make sure you are liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'll let your girl know what you want to see more of from her because you girls and guys and lovelies and babies have been doing it up when it comes to telling me what you guys want to see next. And then also, if I didn't say it already, make sure you're subscribing. You need to be doing that. Join the family. Be with your girl on this makeup journey. I promise you, you're gonna love it. And then if you're not already following the girl on Instagram, make sure you're following her at Miss Imani E. Make sure you're following me on Twitter at Miss Imani E. Make sure you're following me on Facebook, Imani Curry, you know, legal name, same thing pretty much. But I'm gonna drop all this stuff down in the description box, or if you read the title of this video, you already know what this video is gonna be about. This video is about BoxyCharm, and I'm going to be unboxing, even though I kind of already unboxed in the tutorial, which will be up on my Instagram, so make sure you go run that up. But today's video is going to be about the goodies I received from BoxyCharm. And if you don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a monthly subscription that gives you 5 full beauty items ranging from beauty tools, color cosmetics, makeup, skincare, you name it. And each month you get something different within that box. And I will say that is a great thing for all my makeup lovers or influencers who are wanting to just test out new products they're not either aware of or have heard of. But let's be honest, some of the stuff is either expensive or you're not sure exactly if you're gonna feel the brand itself. But let's go ahead and get into it. So like I said, I already unboxed everything. Your girl was up. But so basically what I received in this is a few things, well 5 things like I told you guys. So first things that I'm going to say is I'm going to tell you guys about the Ace Beauty Blushed in Paradise. So I think I found a new blush that I like because, do y'all see that? Don't your girl look happy like she blushing for somebody? Like, this is everything. So it has 4 colors in there. I use this one right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Guys, I actually need to hook up a monitor so I can see if you guys can see what I'm saying instead of asking y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that, but anyway. I use the one at the end because I felt like the other tones were too light. Well, actually, the one that's actually next to it isn't too bad, honestly. I feel like that's good too, but I will swatch it for you guys so you guys can get a general idea of what these blushes look like. Oh no, that's too pink for me, honey. I can't do that one. These are really cute though. So as you can see, this is what they look like. Now this blush itself, because what I love about BoxyCharm is they actually give you information on the stuff if you don't already know who the company is or what exactly you're getting. I love the fact that it tells you. So with the Ace Beauty Blushed in Paradise palette, it says the Blushed in Paradise blush palette. Why is blush in there so many times? The Blushed in Paradise blush palette is an addition to our much loved Paradise collection. 4 blush shades are featured to provide a natural flush of color. So it tells you the price on this little thing that they give you on the back. Like, it has all the information of what you receive along with the prices. So it says that this one normally goes for about $30, and then it also gives you like a little hashtags to use in their stuff, and it says Ace Beauty Sunshine. So this is really cute. I actually like that it gives you all the information. That way you're tagging them so they can see that you're using this stuff. Go ahead and get reposted. So the next thing that I used was the brow pencil. So like, can y'all see these brows, honey? Honey, this whole box gave me life, honestly. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, I think I found a new routine to do my makeup. I'm always finding a new routine. But this one is called the Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. It is an ultra precise brow pencil designed to impart the thinnest hair-like strokes for microblade worthy effects. That it did. Without the blade. This 1.4mm tip provides complete control of naturally defined brows. So actually, I was just gonna say that this pencil actually gives you like a microblading effect. Like, it's dark. I think the color that I have is natural black, and I'm about to start going back to using black because I used to use like dark brown or taupe, I think I'm saying that right, but I think this black works more with what Imani likes. Like, I like this. Like, it looks like I actually got my brows microbladed, and this is too cute. But this is what it looks like. And I also do like a little line for you guys. Don't mind my hand, guys. I'm trying to like get you guys some nice swatches. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a very fine tip. That way you can get the microblading effect from it. This one normally goes for about $28. Well worth it, because honey, I look like I got fresh off the, is it a table or would you be technically in a reclining chair? I don't know, one of those, but I feel like I got fresh off of it. So the next thing I want to show you guys is the AALIYAH Neon Velvet Liquid Lipstick, matte, long lasting, and moisture. The color that I got was the Easy Shell, and this normally goes for about $17. It says these coveted liquid lipsticks have you covered with all day wear, minimal touch-ups throughout the day, mean less worrying about smears, stained teeth, and weird inner lip gloss rings, or weird inner lip rings. Thank you, because that's not cute. So here's what it looks like. And I'm gonna swatch it for you guys as well. That's the color. So I didn't really care for this color too much. I'm more of a nude lip kind of girl. This was a bit too, I don't want to say the word salmony, but it had like too much of a pink tint for me. I didn't really care for it. So what I did was, I'm wearing it right now actually, but I lined it with a brown lip liner from NYX, and then I have some nude lip glosses, so I kind of ran that over it. So you can see some of the pink in here, but I just didn't really care too much for it. But I will say that the consistency and the texture is amazing. It goes on smooth. It doesn't give you like that nasty sticky matte feeling, and then it also doesn't give you like that dry cracked lips looking like,
can I get you anything?
Water would be nice.
I'm gonna put these in a vase.
Take your time.
my point. So what I will say with this is that it does have, matter of fact, let me see if they have ingredients on here, because I feel like what's in here actually helps you not have chapped lips. So it says free of parabens, yeah. It's gluten-free, never tested on animals, it has mineral oil, and a whole bunch of other words that I cannot pronounce. So I'm not sure if it actually has too much of anything in here to help you with that. I know I moisturized my lips before, but I will say that this does go on smooth, and it is a really pretty color, but I just don't care for it. I will be shopping with them some more just to see about their new collection. I like this stuff. It's really cute. On to the next. So when I did my makeup, of course I washed my face like everybody should, but I didn't prime my face. I know, don't yell at me just yet, don't do that. So what I did prime my face with is called this 111 Skin. It says pollution defense booster. So I'm just gonna read off what it says on the card. It says a daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. Now, this is the most expensive thing in here. This thing goes for about $135. So I will not be using this all the time. I'm gonna be using it sparingly because I actually like the way it went on. And as you can see, like I said, I didn't have on any primer, and it looks like basically I use like Il Makiage's no filter primer. Literally that's the equivalent I get from it, but it was so, it's so nice. Like, this is what it looks like, and it tells you the directions. It says shake well before use, mix 1 to 2 drops in the palm of your hand with your favorite moisturizer and apply directly to skin after cleansing. So I didn't put any lotion on. I have some Dermalogica, and it's a hydrating lotion, and then I also have a massage oil in there. I normally use that with my shea butter drops that I have, but I think I'm gonna start incorporating that in the mix too, because I really like the effect that it gave me. Like, I feel glorious. Now down to the last thing in this box. It's this thing called Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your eyes. It's an eye mask. So I got a whole bunch of these, and like when I was doing my makeup, I actually put these on before everything, like while I was doing my brows. They come in like this little pack, and I had already taken them out because I already wore them. Ew, they feel like slime. But this is what they come in, like this little bitty pack. And ooh, they're still kind of wet. And this is what they look like. So they go under your eye, and as you can see, they just stick. So to be specific about them, it says that it's a Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle and Energizing Eye Mask. It comes with 12 pairs. It goes for about $21. It's suffering from dark circles, puffy eye bags, fine lines, and general fatigue around your eyes. Perk them up as if you just had 8 hours of sleep with these eye masks. They revitalize and rejuvenate the tired eyes, leaving you looking more awake and youthful. So your kid needed these because I am a first-time mom. And sometimes my Chanel bags be looking like I didn't use them too much, and that is not cute, honey. So honestly, the stuff that I received in this was on time and perfect because I just feel brand new. I feel like I'm 22, even though I am 22. Like, I just feel, I feel amazed. I feel amazing. But like I said, guys, this is all that I got in here from BoxyCharm. I used it in my video on Instagram, which I will be posting soon, so make sure you stay tuned. If you are watching this, actually that means it's probably up right now, but yeah. But these are the things that I received from BoxyCharm, guys. Like I said, if you don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is where you get a monthly subscription of 5 goodies in one box, ranging from multiple prices. I think they said the total value goes up to be about $175, and you get 5 products, 5 full products at that. It ranges from makeup, skincare, beauty tools, and color cosmetics. And you get these, like I said, monthly. And actually, I'm gonna post a link so that you guys can go check out BoxyCharm yourself. You don't want to miss their November boxes. That's coming up, honey. But you guys, this is pretty much for this video. If you like this look, make sure, like I'll say it and I'll say it again, make sure you go to my Instagram, like, and tune into the video that I will be posting very shortly. And make sure you are subscribed. And comment down below if you love BoxyCharm. Just comment BoxyCharm with a heart, or just say I love BoxyCharm. Let your girl know if you were feeling this box itself and you want to see more about it, which I said I'll be linking everything in the description box for you all. And I will see you guys next time.